The Add Node menu displays a list of all nodes, both third-party and the ones developed by NewTek's Lightwave team. Briefly walking through this menu, we see 2D texture nodes and 3D texture nodes, which should be familiar from Lightwave's layered texturing system found in the texture editor's procedural type pop-up menu listing. There are constant nodes for defining constants such as a color, an angle, or a number. Function nodes are a unique way of modifying the algorithms that generate our texture patterns. Gradient, where we house our animatable gradient node and various tools for working with gradients. Here you can see I have some third-party nodes already installed. In this case, the IFW2 node-based texture and shader set. Item info nodes so our textures and shaders can interact with other items in the scene. Layers, which are a set of nodes for bringing in the old layer system into the node editor so we can have the best of both nodes and layers together in one editing system. Math nodes, ranging from simple addition to vector algebra and trigonometric functions for advanced users, all categorized for easy application and understanding. Shaders. As mentioned earlier, Lightwave now offers the user multiple shading models to choose from. We'll get more into these in several forthcoming videos. This menu structure has a direct relation with the destination node's input for an easy understanding of their intended purpose and how they are logically used in the network. A spot information node for reading advanced shader spot data from surfaces. Tools, which are various tools needed for node-based texturing and shading. Vertex map nodes for controlling or using controls from morph maps, weight maps, and vector color maps. That's quite a list to take in at first glance, but you'll find that shading and texturing with nodes will quickly and easily become a familiar and powerful way of creating 3D content with more control and less effort than ever before. The node editor interface is designed to work the way you work. It provides you with multiple ways of achieving your surfacing goals. For example, you can add nodes to the workspace either through the pop-up menu here or by control right-clicking directly in the workspace area. Additionally, node properties can be edited in floating panels as well as the embedded edit panels we discussed earlier. The node editor is a pleasure to work with and expands Lightwave capabilities by orders of magnitude. Let's create a simple network to see what the process looks like. We'll use our new animatable gradient node and set up a simple spread from black to red to green to blue. Connecting it to our surface color, we can immediately see the results in the Viper preview. We can then control the shape of this gradient by connecting a texture to its input. Add some bump to enhance the reflective properties. Replacing one of the gradient's key colors is as simple as just drawing a line. Texturing that key color is as simple as adding and connecting the desired texture node. Once you understand this basic menu structure, and some simple rules for what gets connected to what, you'll not only realize just how simple it is to work with the node editor, but also how much more powerful it is than Lightwave's traditional texturing system. And we really are talking orders of magnitude. This concludes our introduction to the Node Editor GUI.